A program in Java to find the area of a square. You can give any class name. We are giving square. Okay, we have created a new class. Let's open that. Now let's start. Double slash to find the area of a square. Okay, next line, public class square. Instead of square, you can give any name as you wish. Next line, open curly bracket. Next line, public static void main open parenthesis string where S is capital August square bracket closed parenthesis. Next line, open curly bracket int S where S is used to store a number, comma, AR equal to 0, semicolon. Next line, S equal to 25. You can give any other number, semicolon. Next line, AR equal to S into S, semicolon. Next line, system dot out dot println open parenthesis double quotes the area of a square equal to double quotes plus AR close parenthesis semicolon. Next line, closed curly bracket, close curly bracket. Now it's time to compile. Here we can see that no syntax error. So let's close. Now this is the result. The area of a square is 625.